Oh. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahavirjam Karavabahe Tejasvinabadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sri Sai Ram. भगवान को आवाहन पूर्वक आपण समस्त को ए साई विजडम रो आफ्टरनून सेशन को स्वागत. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ साई विजडम क्लासेस एंड आफ्टरनून रे आपण मानकर क्वांटिटेटिव एंड रीजनिंग क्लासेस रहुची. आपण माने आपण मानकर फ्रेंड्स मानन को जणे दे परिबे सो दैट ए समय रे क्लास को अटेंड करिवे. भगवान का सानिध्य रे हमें पढिबा निश्चित रूप रे. आजी हमर सौभाग्य, we are really privileged to have with us Brother Surya Prakash Pati. Brother Surya Prakash, I would like to introduce him before you. He is presently working as an associate professor at IIM Kozhikode, prestigious IIM institution रे sir वर्तमान पिलामानंको पढ़ौचंती एवं हमर ए साई विजडम सेशंस रे पिलामानंको आपण मानंको ट्रेनिंग दबा पई सर मध्य सम्मति प्रकाश करचंती. Brother Surya Prakash is also an Bal Vikas alumnus and had been a very active and warm youth during his presence in Satya Sai Seva Sangathan Odisha. So मु भाबुची आपण माने तांकठु बहुत किछि कथा जानि परिबे, सिखिबे एवं जहाँ भी आपनकर प्रश्न रहइबो निर्द्वंद्व रे भाई को पचारिबे. ब्रदर सूर्य प्रकाश साई राम.
Sai Ram bhai.
Sairam bhai, the class is over to you. Thank you. Apna hosting rights re achanti, apna present bhi kari paribe.
Thank you. So ମୁଁ ମୋର ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ଅନ୍ କରିଦେଲି. I have just switched on my video. If it is okay with everyone else, also you can switch on your video, or else all right. Basically, video on kale bhi there's a little better communication actually improves. The class also feels like class. That's all. But if it is all right with you, if you have some problems, then you can keep your video switched off. Uh, Thank you, Pradipta Bhai, for inviting this to this class and giving this opportunity to sort of participate in this educational contribution to many of our youngsters. I remember in the year 2005 2006 when I was in Bhubaneswar Samiti. I had just come passed out of Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, and was there in home, and apart from participating in number of other activities, of course jobs were one of the things that was in my mind. I can actually share your anxiety. Most of the participants were here about trying to bag an appropriate job, and also make a contribution to public life and to this nation. So with this, I am not a professor here, although Pradipta Bhai actually said that. I am just a teacher here. And right now in this class, I am a co-participant along with you, so that we will try to understand the mathematics and understand how to solve things quickly, and also sort of make you better in this endeavor to master this art of solving problems. Okay, so if any time before we start the class, I just want to put there's only one ground rule in the class. The one ground rule is class participation. Anytime you feel that I'm going very fast, that you are unable to understand the concept, please put a chat there, or you can also raise your hand option. Like, I hope all of you know how to raise a hand, right? So you can also do that. So let me just show you. Or you can also put this reaction. This reaction also is all right. Okay. Can you see the thumb reaction? So if you can put this thumb reaction also, I will know that you want to ask me a question. Thank you, Lisa. Thanks a lot. You want to ask me a question. And based on that, we take this forward. I will stop my my lecture there, and you can take up the questions. Okay. So please participate. We are here to learn. Do not be, do not remain silent, and ask all the type of questions you have. So today's session is, let me share my small presentation that I have made, and this can actually help you. I hope you can see this. So today we are going to study on, or learn, not study, learn in a very quickly on simplification. And that is primarily we are talking about square roots, cube roots, and exponents. Okay, we are not doing number series and all those things today, or solving questions in series. But today we are going to look only at square roots, cube roots, exponents. Clear? So let us begin with an assignment straight away. And this is the assignment. Can you please open your notebook or anything else and give me the square root of this particular number quickly? Even if you were unable to solve, it's all right, but at least I want all of you to solve it for some time. Quickly, please find the square root of this number. Have you done it? Shubhadra, Jyotirmay, Lisa, Urmila, Ajit, Sonalita, Itismita, Saswati, anyone, Priyanshu, Have you done it? Quick. You will not get this much time in the exams. Quick. '67, sir. Okay, good. '67, sir. Very nice. Others? Okay. So Sashwati, would you want to come on air and explain your classmates how exactly did you actually arrive at this? Please unmute yourself and you can. Okay, maybe Sashwati has sort of. So Sonalita, would you want to come on air and explain your classmates how exactly did you get it? Is it possible?
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead. କେମିତି କରିଲ ତମେ ସେଟା? How did you get the number? Quickly.
sir, ଯୋଉ ଚାରିଟାଙ୍କରୁ ଦିଟାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଗାର ରହିବ ମାନେ ଦିଟାଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକି ହିଁ କରାଯିବ 67 44 ଉପରେ ଗାର ରହିବ ଆଉ 89 ଉପରେ ଗାର ରହିବ then
Good.
ଯୋଉ ନମ୍ବର sir ଯୋଉ
ତାପରେ?
ନମ୍ବର sir ଯୋଉଟା ଡିଭାଇଡ କରାଯିବ ସେଇଟା ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ମାନେ ଧର ଯୋଉ 4 ରେ 6 ରେ କରାଯିବ 6 ରେ କରାହଉଛି 6 ପଡିବ
Very good. ठीक कथा. जहाँ सोनालिता कहले, whatever she said, I have just sort of simplified this. Okay, and the first there are two number of steps. जो माने करिचंते बहुत बढ़िया. By the way, बहुत प्रकार numbers अच्छी, बहुत प्रकार steps अच्छी. So किंतु मु आपन को एबे quickly गोटे step summarize करी. Maybe you have done this. The first thing you have to memorize. Upon the square root number you want to find out, you have to memorize. You have memorized the square roots up to 20. Okay, and it is difficult to solve. If you keep on doing it, the problems over and over again, you can definitely end up sort of getting this till 15. Okay, so one square 1 till 15 square root 225. Okay, how many of you have memorized all of this? You should. Okay, बहुत simple. The formula memorize, so you have to keep on practicing. But if you have to solve it quickly, you have got to memorize this from 1 square to 15 square. Okay. तापर कौन होगा जहाँ सोनलता कहले बहुत बढ़िया कथा नंबर टाको सबले अपन डिवाइड कर देबे into two parts. If it's square root, you have to look at the last two numbers. If it is cube root, you have to look at the last three numbers. एटा question है ला square root रा. So अपन को number टाको माने you have to divide, put this line at 89 and at the rest. Okay. Just gotte minute. More, I think gotte call aschi. I'm sorry. Just gotte minute upon ye karanto. I will right away actually. Okay, so what you have to do is, are you all there? Yeah. So what you have to do is first upon mane divide karibe eta into number of ye and exactly at 2 at the second digit. Okay. So 4489. So you will be doing it here. Okay. So that is the step one. Step two hela, if you have memorized this particular entire 1 square to 15 square, it's very straightforward. You have to look at the unit digit. It number ends at 9. Okay, so if you look here, 9 comes under 3 and 9 also comes at 7 square, that is 49. It also comes at 13 square, but then you don't need that. 13 is definitely not necessary here. Okay. So that is your step 2. That exactly is your step 2. Okay. So upon ko aniya padiba etiki. That is, I don't know why it is not getting shared. Problem kai achi. Yeah. So you have to actually commit here. 3 ki 7 asuchi. Okay. Now step 3 hela. Remember this 44, that is the rest of the number comes between what? Now again you have to go back to this particular. So everything depends upon step 1, my friends. If you know from 1 square to 15 square, you can solve anything. Okay. So 44 comes between 36 to 49. So that means 6 square to 7 square. So upon pakeve 6 square, 7 square, that is the garanta achi. Upper limit, lower limit. Okay. So 6 square, 7 square. Okay. So that last step is you have to multiply 6 into 7. Remember, if the number is 42, if our number, that is if your number is greater, that is 44 is greater than 42 here, you have to choose the greater option. Okay. So greater option is what? That is very simple. 67.
Sir, repeat again.
I want to repeat. Okay, I will repeat again. Okay, Itispita wants me to repeat again. Itispita, pay attention. Everyone pay attention. Stop solving and just pay attention. It's a बहुत straightforward thing. Chatta step darkar. First step is you have to memorize Itispita right from 1 square to 15 square. Okay? तुमको एटा निजे करिया पड़िबो एबे मेमोराइजेशन रो ये नहीं 1 square is 1 till 15 square is 225.
Okay, sir.
Itispita?
Okay, sir.
Good. Next step 2 is remember तुमको गोटे ए जो 44 89 टा अछि तुमको एटा गोटे बारी टाणे पड़िबो because it is the square root you are calculating Itispita. So ए बारी टा सबले जोड़े डिजिट परे तमे करिबो एटा ला यूनिट डिजिट एटा ला टेंस डिजिट 8 टा परे तमे टाणिबो बारीटा हला ओके. So any number जैसे 5टा नंबर अछि तमे 2 + 3 करिबो that is 89 maybe 644 it's all right सबले किंतु जोड़े डिजिट परे तमे बारी टाणिबो ओके Itispita. Now
Okay, sir.
look at the last digit. Last digit was 89 ro 9. Okay, 9. Go back to your step 1. A table ta dekha dauchi 9 ta कोते आसुची 9 ta 3 square pare आसुची 9 ta 7 square pare भी आसुची. Okay, so ता माने तमर जो square root ता हबो either the last number is 3 or 7. Clear Itispita? 3 or 7 कारण 9 टा
Yes, sir.
8 टा अछि 3 square पर अछि 7 square पर भी अछि. Clear? तापर तमे कोन करिवो तापर तमे ए जो लिमिट ता अछि जानिबो तमर लास्ट नंबर ता हे गला तमर फर्स्ट नंबर ता कोन एबेटा 44 अछि. Okay, rest of the number is 44. Now again go back to this particular table. 44 ता को भीतर अछि 36 और 49 भीतर अछि. Okay, that is 36 ता 6 square 49 ता 7 square. Clear Itispita? Okay, so what you do
Yes, sir.
तमे एटा 6 लिखिबो एटा 7 लिखिबो. Clear? 6 एटा 7. तापर now तमे तापर लास्ट स्टेप कोन करिवो तमे 7 into 6 कर दबो 42 कथा हला तमर एबे नंबर टा 63 हे पारे कि 67 हे पारे तमर फाइनल नंबर टा either it can be 63 or 67 the square root of 44 89 किंतु कोटा एक्चुअली हबो डिपेंड्स ऑन वन मोर ऑपरेशन तमे 6 into 7 कर दबो इट इज 42. ओके, नाउ तमर नंबर हला 44 जो 42 ता तुम पाइलो it is less than 44. Okay, that means your number Itispita is larger than the product. If your number is larger than the product, then the final option should be 67. Always choose a larger number. If your number is greater, choose the greater option. If your number is smaller, choose the smaller option. Clear Itispita? Clear hala?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mu tamku au good assignment debi. Everyone, please solve this one. 16641. Please find the square root of 16641. All of you. Exactly same step ta karo. Mu tamku rakhichi ei slide re so you get to know the steps. 16641 square root. Okay. Quick. Exactly से करिबा 129 देखिबा अन्य माने कोन कहउचंती लिपन थैंक्स quickly Ritusmita, I'm looking at you. What is your number and how quickly are you getting it? Sonalita भी पाई गले quick. Good. अन्य माने did you get the procedure correctly? Everyone? Sonalita, Ritusmita, Ajit.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now that you have done this, let me actually, ask you to do this question. Second question to solve karo. No, not second question. Question number 3 to solve karo. Everyone. Question number 3. Please solve that. Just for your help, आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कॉपी कर दियो समझते कॉपी कर सारला परे मु तमर स्क्वायर रूट से टेबल टा रखि देबी सो इट्स इजी फॉर यू square root of 19.36 plus square root of 0.1936 plus square root of 0.001936 plus square root of 0.1936. Good, Lipan, very nice. अन्यमान देखिबा अन्य माने this is it is just gote khali tikke trick अछि it's about a decimal point that's all decimal point jetol tame square root रे tame asuchi just remember you have to just take it one decimal point less so for example it is 19.36 रे tamar square root has to be only single place after the decimal point so something it has to start with 4.2 or 4.3 something like that I'm not telling that's the answer. Okay, I'm not telling that is the answer. I'm telling you there should be only one decimal point because upon ko square re jode decimal point achi. Similarly, it chatta achi. So here it has to be 2. Here it has to be 3. Here it is 8 places. So square root has to have 4 places. Okay, Tusmita, Sonalita, are you done? Difficult laguchi na? Urmila?
No,
Subhat?
sir, I cannot do it.
You cannot do it. Okay, Parvat, Lipan, why don't you help them? Tome kuha kemti kala, one by one.
1936 में स्क्वायर रूट बाहर करिया सेटा बाहरला 84
Lipan, clear nahi tomaro voice. Clear nahi.
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम रही
Okay, thal. No problem. No problem. The voice is clear nahi Lipan. Class time पढ़ौची, but thank you very much. Somebody else want to tell? केमती बाहरला? प्रभात कर पारला प्रियांशु okay one by one बाहर करिया 19.36 टाकर बाहर करो स्क्वायर रूट टा एनीवन एक्जेक्टली मुझे मित्र कहइतली सेमते बाहर करो एनीवे डेसिमल तमे 3.36 रो तमे ओटा बाडी पकेबा ओके 36 रो हला कोन 4 4 जार 16 ओके 6 टा 6 रे आसुची 6 टा 4 रे आसुची ओके so either it has to be 4 or either it has to be 6 everyone clear either it has to be 4 ha Lipan tame share kar pariba why not let me give you sharing option gotte minute ro let me actually give you the sharing option go ahead Lipan share kara ओके एवरीवन देखे जाउची लिपन को पिन कर दियो सब देखे जीवा एक्सपैंड करके पिन कर दिया गुड देखा जाउची सब लिपन टिके एडजस्ट करो तको टिके ऊपर को एडजस्ट करो छाईटा पड़ी जाउची एवरीवन कैन यू सी लिपन बहुत बढ़िया करचंती दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस वे ऑफ डूइंग इट ना छाईटा पड़ी होची लिपन बहुत बढ़िया करचा बट पढ़िया टिके मुश्किल होची okay thanks so okay thank you so namaste one by one kariba so why don't you first solve the square root of 19.36 Sonalita solve that just solve that first square root of 19.36 kete hobo
4.4 sir
good 4.4
So 4.4.
4.4 very good next ta kona square root of next eta kata square root of 19.0 point kete mu dei chali रो हम शेयर करूची आउथर क्वेश्चन पेपर टा स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 0.1936 केते होबा टाकू 0.44 वेरी गुड तापरे नेक्स्ट टा 0.001 0.044 वेरी गुड तापरे 0.0044 गुड ऐड कर दियो सब तापरे Sorla, all you need to do is calculate the first one, everyone. All you need to do is only calculate the first one. That's all. Only you have to calculate the first one, 19.36. Once you calculate the 19.36, it is very simple then. It is very simple then. Okay? All you need to do is calculate the first one. Clear everyone? So Bujula, chat baka 4.8884. Calculation mistake rakhiwani lipan. Ballagri calculate aram se karibo. Remember, it is a story about this entrance exam is all about accuracy, not about approximation. Okay, accurate haba darkar. Addition mistake bilkul karibani. Sonalita, itispi sabu easy he gala be. Itispita everyone. Is it easy now? All
Yes,
you need
sir.
to do is calculate the first one, 19.36. After that, you just have to play with the decimal points. That's all. Thore tame calculate kar dabo 19.36 in the shortcut method that you know. Okay, you just have to play around the decimal points. Fatafat hai jivada. Clear, everyone? Easy. Now let's go for the cube root. Cube root. Cube root रे टिके माने nothing much, किसी बेसी difficult नहीं. All of you, it is very very simple. Only thing is, again, you have to memorize from 1 cube to 9 cube. So all you have to memorize. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729. Clear? You have to memorize if you have to just solve the cube root problems very quickly, very, very fast. Okay. So once you memorize all of this, my friends, separate the same thing. Again, I would a difference of 157, 464. That is the cube root you have to find out. For example, just like square root re jode digit pore तुमको body टानिया को अच्छी, it is just 3 digit pore body टानी body. Clear? That is your step 1, and the rest of the number is the other part. Clear, all of you?
Sir, jodi cube ro question pacharthibo, then hame tinta
digit.
Okay, sir.
A square root re jode digit. Clear? It is बहुत simple. Square माने 2, so jode digit. Cube माने 3, so 3 digit. बहुत simple. Okay. Now step 2. Step 2 देखो. You need the steps are all simple, similar. Last digit is 4. तमे देखिबा last digit 4 खाली 4 पाखे अछि. 4 cube रा 64. Unlike a square root जेतोले माने last digit टा repeat होचे जोड़े number रे, cube root रे सेमी तो repetition नहीं बिल्कुल. If you look at this, 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. Repetition ही नहीं. So if you remember this, it is very simple. So last digit is 4. So it is option ही नहीं. 4 है. Again, 157 now comes between what two digit? 157 comes between 125 and 216. Clear? So 5 cube or 6 cube. Clear? So 5 or 6. Always take the lesser one. So 54. Eta 5, eta 4. Sorla. Bujbarla? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Bujhigala.
It is simple actually, cube root. Karana, there are no permutation combination choices available. Nahi. The square root dekhiba, if you know the difference, you will understand this. Square root choice achi 3 is 7, nor 3 ki 7 asuchi. But cube root re gotte hi option achi 4, for example. So jekonse number niya, but remember this is only good for perfect cubes. Perfect cubes are most likely direct questions perfect cubes re ase. So kichhi asubidha havar nahi. So both of the steps actually come hegala. Clear? So this is all about your cube root. The last part you need to know is about exponents. Exponents jani gale tame algebra exponent root jani gale. You can also solve square root problems, cube root problems, and any other to the power 4, to the power 1/4, any other problems tame solve kar pariba. So exponent बहुत simple rules. Remember, तुमको बिल्कुल memorize करियर नहीं. तुम तो practice करिबा. If you practice this, you end up becoming very very perfect after some time. So product rule. This is nothing but power. कारण typing रे बहुत माने laptop typing रे a square लिखिबा कि a to the power x लिखिबा difficult होची. सेटा मु एटा को power लिख देची. Okay? So don't get confused with the new symbol. Clear? So a to the power x plus a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y. That's all it is. All of you clear? Simple. Something
Sir.
quotient rule. A to the power x divided by a to the power y is a to the power x minus y. Okay. Power rule. A to the power x to the power y is a to the power xy. Very simple. So 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 है 2 to the power 6. That's all it is. 3 into 2. Power of a product rule. AB to the power x, okay, is equal to a to the power x into b to the power x. For example, suppose a is equal to 2. It is with solve karo. Suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Hela? Our x is equal to 2. So 2 into 3 to the power 2 is equal to formula kochi.
Sir,
To the
question
power,
how thara ଟିକେ repeat କରନ୍ତୁ.
suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Our x है 2. Okay. देखो ए नोट ए जो इक्वेशन टा सॉल्व होउची ना नहीं, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड नहीं, तो देखो एटा ए बी कोन 2 into 3 6. ओके, x केते मु देछि स्क्वायर, सो 6 टू स्क्वायर होला 36. ओके, a टू पावर x माने केते a मु 2 देथिली, तो 2 टू पावर 2 केते 4, b टू द पावर x होला b into माने b होला 3. So 3x is equal to 3x
Yes,
is
sir,
equal to
समान
9.
होଉଛି.
हाँ,
हाँ sir,
समान होची, right?
आज्ञा.
Good. बस एमी तबे तो कर दबो, फार्मूला भी इजीली मन रहि जबो. a by b to the power x is equal to a to the power x divided by b to the power x. तमे देखिबो पूरा प्रोडक्ट आउ डिवीजन रे ही जिंस खेलडा होची. प्लस माइनस बिल्कुल नहीं. ओके, प्लस माइनस बिल्कुल नहीं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, square root of a plus x, a plus b is not equal to, I am repeating again, square root of a plus b is not equal to square root of a plus square root of b. Eta bhul hejiba. Okay, but square root of a into square root of b is equal to square root of ab. सेटा हबा. So product division रे सब खेलडा होची. Addition subtraction तबे careful हेजिबा. सत्तिकी बुझ परला. तमे देखो सब तक डिवीजन अछि, खाली एटा टिका प्लस अछि, बट दैट इज आल्सो वेरी सिंपल. a to the power x कारण एटा बेस टा समान अछि. सेमिति 0 एक्सपोनेंट 8 power 0 is equal to 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, बहुत straightforward formula. Negative exponent a to the power minus x is equal to 1 by a to the power 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. Hello, 1 by 4. That's all. तमे तो कहबे 2 to the power minus 2 केते, तमे कहबे 1 by 4. बहुत सिंपल फार्मूला कैलकुलेट करियो. ए y टा ए ऊपर रहबा. ओके, नॉट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एटा लेकिन टाइपिंग रे भूल बाल अछि. इज इक्वल टू y रो रूट टू द पावर a स्क्वायर x. जोटा न्यूमरेटर रहबा, एटा न्यूमरेटर कोटा हबा x रहबा, सेटा a पाखे रहबा, आ डिनोमिनेटर टा पळेबा ए जो रूट को पळेबा. बहुत सिंपल. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 2 by 3 is equal to cube root of 2 square or cube root of 4. बुझ परला केमति हला. मु 3 टा तळे अछि, 3 टा को क्यू नै आसले पट को, आ न्यूमरेटर टा सेट रखि देली, 2 स्क्वायर रखि देली. बुझ परला, सिंपल रहला. All of you? Good. Now solve this problem. By the way, before you solve the problem, simplification में बहुत बड़ा ये ला बदमाश. तुम सब जानी थी बा बदमाश रोल. जानी क्यों ना जानी ना बदमाश. जल्दी बहुत बड़ा नंबर सिस्टम माने सीरीज थी बा. It should always solve the bracket first, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Clear? सही सीरीज रे जीवा. Just because subtraction आगे अच्छी तमे आगे टाको आगे सॉल्व करिवनी. ओके, तमे आगे सॉल्व करिवनी. सबले ब्रैकेट जदि मल्टीपल ब्रैकेट्स अछि, सबटे इनर ब्रैकेट ता फर्स्ट सॉल्व करिवो, तापर आउटर ब्रैकेट ता. क्लियर? तापर ओ डी एम एस बदमाश सबले यूज करिवो से रूल ता. That is only how you proceed. Now, please solve this. First problem, question number 1. All of you. Question number 1. सुना जाउ छी सुबुची वॉइस सुबह समस्त को.
Yes sir.
चैट रे टाइप करो. Yes, question number 1 सॉल्व करो. Quick. लिपन को कौन अच्छी लिपन तुमको पचार क्वेश्चन किछि ना हाँ मारल शुभा जाऊँ वॉइस
सर टिके परे पचारिबे एटा प्रॉब्लम
ठीक अच्छे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टाକୁ सॉल्व करो समस्ते आउ 3 मिनिट मात्र अच्छी 3-4 मिनिट क्विकली सॉल्व करो এটা x to এটা multiplication okay এটা multiplication so 0.009 into 0.036 into so you can use all the rules that I have taught as of now your exponent rules as well as जहां में पढ़िचे क्यूब रूट स्क्वायर रूट सब जिनस the final number ta not necessarily it has to be divisible तमे स्क्वायर रूट रे छाड़ देल भी चलिबो okay don't need to find out the final solution तमे ताको स्क्वायर रूट रे सिंपलीफाई करी छाड़ देल भी चलिबो but please simplify that good good lipan very nice अन्य माने very good.
सर सेटा 6 बारिबो
कौन हला
मुगले सर सेटा 6 बारिबो
हाँ 6 पारिबो जा ऑप्शन दे चंदी 6 पारिबो वो मैं आउथर चेक कर दोची एटा को
आज्ञा सर 6 वाला
मैं आउथर चेक कर दोची थर्टी सिक्स
आज्ञा सर 36 into 36 रा रूट ओवर इक्वल टू 36 वाला
अन्य माने पाइला केमति करबा लिपन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 टा करो ऑनलाइन करछन तो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करा एटा सिंपल टा please use these formulas you can solve it every one of you please use these formulas
हेलो सर सर सेटा हला 58 into 52
गुड
आज्ञा
गुड
3000
एटा पूरा कर दिया
3016
हाँ अन्य माने इतस्मिता सुभद्रा ज्योतिर्मय तीर्थवासी उर्मिला अनिता शाश्वती प्रभात अजित मोनालिसा राकेश अन्य माने एते डिफिकल्ट नुहे सेटा ओके गोटे हैक मु तुमको दउची जतेबेले सिंप्लिफिकेशन आसीबो एमिति ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज पे अटेंशन ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सिंप्लीफाई विथ अ प्राइम नंबर कौन समझते 2 3 5 7 9 अन्यटा भी अच्छी टिपिकली ओके प्लीज ऑलवेज सिंप्लीफाई विथ अ प्राइम नंबर 9 is not a prime number I'm sorry but 2 3 5 7 so please look at the prime number so तमे सबु तक जो तमे प्राइम नंबर माने से फैक्टोरियल से आनिबो बहुत इजीली बहुत जिंस कटि जिवो एक्चुअली यू कैन जस्ट कीप ऑन कैंसलिंग मेनी थिंग्स Everyone? Helana, Helani. Okay. Ebe we'll listen to Lipan. Lipan, कौन नंबर क्वेश्चन थिला? हाथ उठे किसो तमे.
सर हमें जो अलजेब्रा एक्सपोनेंट ता हमें जो रूल गुडा लिखिले सर सेठी जो a टू द पावर x मल्टीपल हबो a टू द पावर y ना a टू द x प्लस a टू द पावर y.
गोटे मिनिट रुआ कोटा तमे कहूछ 8 पावर x कोटा कहला
फर्स्ट
फोर रूल
फर्स्ट
First,
प्रोडक्ट रूल
8
प्रोडक्ट
a to the power x plus a to the power y is equal to a to the power x plus y.
सर सेटा
Okay.
प्रोडक्ट रूल ले हमर था a टू द
सर एटा मल्टीपल
Sir, product rule
एटा
number
मल्टीपल
three
रूल
to
से
the-
बताले एटा मल्टीपल रूल प्रोडक्ट
Again.
ओके प्रोडक्ट से मल्टीपल मु तम एटा की कर दूची नो प्रॉब्लम ओके 8 power x
Again.
plus 8 power y is equal to 8 power x plus y. Remember this should be same. A and a should base should be same. Base to समान हैला ताले हे परिबा. Okay, Lipan help with this पिता और समस्त ह्यूमन कर पार नथि तमर जो प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व कला. Quick.
सर हम सेटा जो करलु फर्स्ट डेसिमल टाको हमर सब जो डेसिमल थिला ऊपर और तळटा सब कटि जीवो कटि गला फुलरे हमर रहइबो 9 into 36 into 16 into 8 by 2 into 8 into 2 तापरे कटि जो हमर 2 into 8 into 2 अछि ऊपर कटि जीवो 2 into 2 4 हे कटि जीवो 8 को 2 रे काटिबो 8 टा 16 को काटिबो 2 रे तो काटिला परे हमर आसीबो 36 into 36 रा रूट ओवर equal to 36.
Good. गोटे जिनस समस्या मन रख जत डेसिमल आछि ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सी जदि मु एटा को बाय 100 बाय 1000 जहां भी अछि जते कर देबी बहुत गुड जिनस कटि जिबा एक्चुअली जानि कोन ठीक कहला बहुत गुड जिनस कटि जिबो आउ प्लीज फैक्टराइज ऑलवेज विथ प्राइम नंबर्स फैक्टराइज करो प्राइम नंबर सो 2 3 एटा तुम करबा बहुत गुड जिनस कटि जे परिबो क्लियर लिपन ठीक everyone solve it एबे करा एटा करा तापर क्लास बंद करबा डिफिकल्ट हुए एटा बिल्कुल maths is always a function of logic and
36
formula huh 36 barla
36 again.
good maths is always a formula of माने logic और formula मतलब formula जानि छ formula is nothing but a logic केमिति expression टा हबो तो मतलब logic टा जानि छ बहुत simple किछि नै every formula is a logic जेतोले problem टे पाइबो ताको immediately गोटे simple form जोटा तम मुंडर अछि ता कर दबो then all the formula that you know about then become very simple किछि असुविधा ही नहीं okay done
Yes sir, 36 बारला.
गुड केते माने दीर्घ निश्वास माने जाना पड़छ माने ये रे इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट जस्ट डिवाइडेड बाय जो डेसिमल अछि कन्वर्टेड टू अ नॉर्मल नंबर 9 बाय
Yes sir, it is
ये
not
एकदम कर
difficult
परिबो
but I am confused.
हां तमे डेसिमल अछि जोडे जिंस मन रख डेसिमल अछि कन्वर्टेड टू द एप्रोप्रिएट नंबर फ्रैक्शन ओके आउ फार्मूला रखिबो थर्ड हैक कोन हैला थर्ड हैक इज वेरी सिंपल ट्राई टू फैक्टराइज टू प्राइम नंबर सब जिन प्राइम नंबर फैक्टराइज करके चला बहुत सिंपल बहुत बड़ा जिन कटि जीव नंबरटा आहुरी सिंप्लिफाई हो जीव क्लियर अच्छे तीनटा हैक okay okay so with this we end the class. I think I should tell you a story from Panchatantra before we end it. How many of you have heard about the story of a lion, the angry lion and the small rabbit? Okay, so there was this lion in this forest and he was the king of the jungle. And every day, you know, because he was the king, he will go on a hunt and he will kill a lot of animals, bordered animals, Mardava. And then finally what happens is many animals actually die. He will eat very little, but he will actually kill a lot. So every day the forest was full of terror. No one knows whose number is going to come come next, and the person may end up dying. So one day after the lion actually went to sleep in his cave after a hunt, the animals had a union meeting under a banyan tree. And they decided that, they will appeal to the lion that please do not kill. And during your lunch hour, one of us will actually come and present himself or herself before you. You can eat this animal and the rest can live happy. So after this meeting, one elephant, one crow, and a monkey, I want all of you to imagine this. They went to the lion and said, okay, Maharaj, it doesn't befit your status to, go hunting. Doesn't befit a king to start hunting for his food. So we have decided to offer one of us, during your lunch hour. You can eat that person and rest happy. The lion was very happy. Who actually wants to work? We work because we are made to work, right? All of us. So problem solve it's a complicated question 1, question 2, question 3. We are doing it because we have to pass, we have to clear an exam, right? So if you get food for free, you don't need to do any of these things. The lion was also very happy. So every day, as per this suggestion, one animal will come, present himself, the lion will eat it and will go back to sleep. Everybody actually, started breathing easy. Till one day, there was this rabbit whose turn actually came, and the rabbit said, not today. The rabbit was not ready to die. So he has the plan. He went to the lion's cave after a lot of time, lot of delay. And finally, when he reached, the lion was not just hungry, but also very angry. The lion roared at the rabbit. How dare you come to me so late? The rabbit said, Maharaj, look at my size. Do you think I am sufficient for you? It's a small rabbit. So 2 of us actually started the journey. But on the way, we found one more person. Okay. And that person, that lion, one more lion. And he said he was the king of the forest. So he started chasing us. That rabbit actually died. Somehow I saved myself and I have come to you. The lion was even more angry. How can there be 2 kings in a forest? So he said, take me to that king. The rabbit took the lion to a well. The well's water was completely still. It was reflecting just like a mirror. The lion looked down. The lion saw his reflection, but anger clouded his judgment. The lion roared and the well roared back. The lion jumped inside the well. What did you learn, all of you? Ithusmita, kaun sikhilo story re? Tama bhai kaun sikhilo?
सर से रागी की माने भोकर थिला ना तो रागरे से किछि माने ठीक की भूलटा विचार करलानी तो से ये कला
ठीक कहलो but eta paraphrase करलो तम पाई तमे आमे जो कामटा करूचे एबे ए जो मैथमेटिक्स सब एक्सरसाइज करछ अन्य जो तमे करूछ ता संदर्भ रे स्टोरी रु कोन ज्ञान मिलला मोर somebody okay let me just give it to you. Nature can never change. Nijor nature kebe change habani. So teachers, this program, this entire exercises that we do, more books, more time is not going to help you. What is going to help you is your own nature in this examination, your own personality in this examination, and that is the only thing which is there under your control. So like the lion did not change. Lion ताको तो खाद्य मिली गला. से rabbit को न खाई करी झगड़ला कहीं because that is the nature of the lion, right? So the only way to change the nature is to develop good habits. And if you want to clear this exam well, you have to have the habit of problem solving. सो जते एक्सरसाइज देले प्रदीप्त भाई की सत्साई ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बाहर तमे बही बही पढुथबो कि इवन मु अन्य माने अछंती we are just instruments, but you can solve, you can be very well, you can come out very successful in this exam if you fall into this habit of solving problems and change your nature of solving problems. That is going to help you to win this race. Clear all of you? Make sense? Okay, so आज की शिक्षा को मिलना पिलाने? Yes, no. Yes, no. You can chat there. Good. So this is I put a thumbs up. Anyone, you can always sort of write to me. I'm also putting my email ID here. If you want to write, it is spp.imk.sc.in. So next class I will always want all of you to solve a lot of problems in this particular domain. And so Itismita is going to be the class coordinator for our class. So if you have any doubts about something, solve problem. So all of you can send one problem to Itismita. She will collect all these problems and send it to me before by Monday, so that I can look into these problems, spend some time, okay, and come with the solutions by Wednesday, and then we discuss it in the class. Clear, Hegala? Please solve a lot of problems in this particular domain. किछि problem माने जो cube root, square root, tau is सब. If any problem achi, तब Itismita is our class coordinator. Please mail or WhatsApp to Itismita if you have the number. Itismita will collect all these problems and send it to me by Monday. Okay. So Tuesday I will look into these problems, try to solve this, and then Wednesday we will again have a discussion on all of these things. This is the way we will proceed in this thing. Okay. So number 9. Okay. Itismita my number daba. Okay. लोग तमे केमिति नंबर नथिले एक्चुअली ईमेल आईडी ता दबा समस्तंकु. Okay, that is the best way. My email ID में पके देली, you can actually connect to me if you want to. So thanks a lot. बढ़िया लगला मिसिगरी, and hopefully all the best. Let's meet again in the next Wednesday. Thank you very much. Sai Ram. Sai Ram.
Om Shanti 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 Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.